Hello, this is Victor, Mercedes.com. Today I want to make a quick video here about this car here. This is the last job that I needed to do. I did make the video before driving this car, showing the vehicle. Beautiful car, a low mileage, clean, everything works. But the only last job that I wanted to do was the pulsation damper. So this is the sphere that sits near the pressure valve on the inlet. There is an inlet pipe from the pump and then two outlet pipes through this into the system. So this is the sphere, and I also replaced one of these rubber supports because one was cracked, the other two were fine. Now the sphere, the symptoms are obviously slight. Well, this one was actually not that loud, but there was slight vibration and some whining going on, which is annoying. That is annoying, really. So I had the brand new Mercedes part here. So yeah, that's the damper part number. Air reservoir they call it, but that's a pulsation damper. Well, and sure enough, I mean, I didn't want to do it. I decided to do it like the last because there was a lot of work on this vehicle, so it's finally done. And sure enough, if you drop like a zip tie in the air cell or damper and then you pull it out, you see how much it went in, how deep it went in. Basically it went all the way down, so obviously it is blown, yeah, like up to here somewhere. So as you can see, it is totally blown, no question about it. Yep, that's a quick and easy check. And if you look inside, the end of the sphere, the closing point is all the way at the bottom. So that's like the end of the membrane, like a little valve that closes it. So yeah, it's all the way down on the bottom. So this piece is blown for sure. Well, you know, these are wear and tear items, really. Sooner or later they have to be replaced. So 220-327-0215. What have we here? Yep, same number, 0215. So yeah, just wanted to document that I did this, because on the video I didn't mention it because I didn't do it. I forgot to mention that I was going to replace it. But yeah, I forgot, because this car is for sale. It was absolutely repaired, and now I drove it yesterday, test drove it. So now it's quiet. It's not fully warmed up, so all you hear is the motor. That's good. That's how V12 sounds, really. I have two more of these. Three, actually. That's exactly how they sound. So I'm extremely happy with the result. And at this point, this vehicle is all ready to go. And yeah, so this vehicle is going to be listed for sale. If anybody is interested, obviously drop me a line. Information is at the bottom in description of this video, so you can inquire within. That is my beloved CL600 Rentec, and there is another car over there as SL698, and they also will be for sale. Everything's for sale, actually. I have to downsize. It's just too much, way too much, too many cars. I can't do this anymore. I really like this one though. I mean, this is on point. I drove it, I love it. It's just that just too many cars, way too many cars, no room anymore. This is getting unbearable, so I have to sell some or auction them off, or whatever's gonna happen. But again, 2002 S600, 49,000 miles. That was the last thing. Suspension valves are done already. Clean piece, clean car, everything works. AC, radio, no codes. Had, you know, the headrest, seats, windows, mirrors, lights, I mean everything basically. Both climate controls, no leaks. Like I said, suspension valves, fluid, and yeah, the mirrors resoldered, all the LEDs. One is actually a replacement, the other one are resoldered LEDs. But beautiful car. All right, so this is going to be all. Victor here, RestoringMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.